Hi all, with Kelvin here. So today we will discuss about a problem called statistic from a large sample from weekly contest 142. So we are given array of size 256 to represent frequency of number from 0 to 255. So first index representing number of 0, second index representing number of 1, second index representing number of 2, and so on. So we try to find the minimum element in our array, maximum element in our array, mean, median, and mode. So for minimum, if you see here, our minimum element is 1 because 1 is the first element that exists in our array. We need to ignore all the 0 because 0 basically the data is not there. So this is the first one we meet, and that is the minimum. And 4 is the last data we meet. That means that element is the maximum. And the next thing is for average. So we just need to get all of this sum and multiply it with its own value. So total data here we have 8, and all the value here is 1 times 1, 2 times 3, and 3 times 4. And then we can divide the sum with the total number of data, and then we can get the mean there. And let's keep the median first, and the mode here is the most frequent element that appear in our count. So from the whole array we need to find the highest frequency there, right? And for median, so if our data is even, let's say we have data of 8, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we need data number 4 and number 5 being added and then divide by 2. So here our first 4 data is here, and this is our data from 5 to 8, right? So data number 4 is 2 and data number 5 is 3. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is 2.5. But let's say if our number of element inside in total is an odd number, let's say 7, then we only need to divide 7 by 2 and then plus 1. So 7 divided by 2 is 3, and we plus 1, 4. So we only need the fourth data itself. So only one element, and they actually put the explanation here for that one. So yeah, as my explanation there. So they expect our return is a array of 5 for minimum, maximum, mean, median, and mode. So the first value we met that is not 0 is our minimum value. The last value we met that is not 0 is our max value. And here the largest frequency we met is our mode value there. So we keep updating our current max frequency that we meet, and if there is such element that is larger than our current maximum value, we keep updating our current maximum value and then update our mode value itself. And count sum and sum is the one I explained about average. So this is the total number of data, and sum is the current number times the frequency itself, and then we can find our average from the sum divided by the total number of data. And the rest is median. So I divide it to 2 methods. So first method here is if we have even number of value, we need to find our first value here. So count sum divided by 2, like 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then the data number 5. So here I try to find data number 4 and data number 5, and then we add it up and divide it by 2. But if our number of element is odd, it means we only look for data number like 7 divided by 2. So if we have 7 data, divided by 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So we look for the data number 4, and once we find such value, then basically that is the answer for output 3, and we return the whole output there as asked by the question. So yeah, that's all about this question, and see you on the next LeetCode contest